Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to verify email address in Shein application on an Android device. Well, in case you forget your password or encounter issue accessing your account, a verified email address facilitates the account recovery process. Shein application can send password reset instruction or account recovery links to your verified email address, allowing you to regain access to your account more easily. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Shein application on your device. Okay, so here enter to your profile page. And then click the settings icon at the top right corner. Okay, so in this page, select manage my account option. And then tap on the first one. After that, click verify option. Okay, and then check the link which sent to your email address to continue the process. Okay, here you can tap the verify account button. And now your email address is successfully verified. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to verify email address in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.